Section 14 of No Animal Food and Nutrition and Diet with Vegetable Recipes by Rupert H. Weldon. This LibriVox recording is in the public domain. Section 14. Recipes, Savory Dishes, and Gravies and Sauces. 12. Nut rissoles. 3 ounces mixed grated nuts, 3 ounces breadcrumbs, 1 ounce nut butter, 1 chopped onion, 1 large cupful canned tomatoes. Mix ingredients together, mold into rissoles, dust with flour, and fry in nutter. Serve with gravy. 13. Lentil cakes. 8 ounces red lentils, 3 ounces grape nuts, 1 small onion, 1 teaspoonful gravy essence, breadcrumbs. Cook lentils until soft in smallest quantity of water. Chop onion finely. Mix all ingredients using sufficient breadcrumbs to make into stiff paste. Form into cakes and fry in nutter. Serve with gravy. 14. Marrow roast. 1 vegetable marrow, 3 ounces grated nuts, 1 onion, 1 ounce nutter, 1 cup breadcrumbs, 2 teaspoonfuls tomato puree. Cook marrow, taking care not to allow it to break. When cold, peel, cut off one end, and remove seeds with spoon. Prepare stuffing. Chop onion finely, melt nut fat and mix ingredients together. Then stuff marrow and tie on decapitated end with tape. Sprinkle with breadcrumbs and bake 30 minutes. Serve with gravy. 15. Stewed celery. 1 head celery, 4 slices wholemeal bread, nut butter. Slice celery into suitable lengths, which steam until soft. Toast and butter bread. Place celery on toast and cover with pea, bean, or lentil sauce. See recipe number 39. 16. Barley entrée. 4 ounces pot barley, 1 pound tin tomatoes, 1 chopped onion, 2 tablespoonfuls olive oil. Cook barley until quite soft in smallest quantity of water in double boiler. Then add tomatoes and oil and cook for 10 minutes. To make drier, cook barley in tomato juice, adding only 2 or 3 tablespoonfuls of water. Rice, wheat, macaroni, lentil, bean, split pea entrées. These are prepared in the same way as recipe number 16, substituting one of these cereals or legumes for barley. 17. Savory pie. Paste, recipe number 59, marrow stuffing, recipe number 14. Line sandwich tin with paste. Fill interior with stuffing. Cover with paste or cooked sliced potatoes. Bake in sharp oven. 18. Baked bananas. Prepare the desired number by washing and cutting off stalk, but do not peel. Bake in oven 20 minutes, then serve. 19. Barley stew. 4 ounces pot barley, 2 onions, parsley. Chop onions and parsley finely. Cook ingredients together in very small quantity of water in double boiler until quite soft. Serve with hot beetroot or fried tomatoes or potatoes. Corn, rice, frumenty, pea vermicelli stews. These are prepared in the same way as recipe number 19, substituting one of the above cereals or pulses for barley. 20. Mexican stew. 1 cupful brown beans, 2 onions, 2 potatoes, 4 tomatoes, 1 ounce sugar, 1 cupful red grape juice, rind of 1 lemon, water. Soak beans overnight. Chop vegetables in chunks. Boil all ingredients together 1 hour. 21. Vegetable pie. 5 ounces tapioca, 4 potatoes, 3 small onions, paste (see recipe number 59), tomato purée to flavor. Soak tapioca. Partly cook potatoes and onions, which then slice. Place potatoes, onions, and tapioca in layers in pie dish. Mix purée with a little hot water, which pour into dish. Cover with paste and bake. 22. Rice rissoles. 6 ounces unpolished rice, 1 chopped onion, 1 dessertspoonful tomato purée, breadcrumbs. Boil rice and onion until soft. Add purée and sufficient breadcrumbs to make stiff. Mold into rissoles. Fry in nutter and serve with parsley sauce. Recipe number 38. 23. Scotch stew. 3 ounces pot barley, 2 ounces rolled oats, 1 carrot, 1 turnip, 2 potatoes, 1 onion, 4 tomatoes, water. Wash, peel, and chop vegetables in chunks. Stew all ingredients together for 2 hours. Dress with squares of toasted bread. 24. Plain roasted rice. Steam some unpolished rice until soft. Then distribute thinly on flat tin and brown in hot oven. 25. Nut roast No. 1. 1 pound pine kernels, flaked, 4 tablespoonfuls pure olive oil, 2 breakfast cupfuls breadcrumbs, ½ pound tomatoes, peeled and mashed. Mix ingredients together, place in pie dish, sprinkle with breadcrumbs, and bake until well browned. 26. Nut roast No. 2. 1 pound pine kernels, flaked, 1 cooked onion, chopped, 1/2 cupful chopped parsley, 8 ounces cooked potatoes, mashed. Mix ingredients together, place in pie dish, and cover with layer of boiled rice. Cook until well browned. 27. Maize roast. 8 ounces cornmeal, 1 large Spanish onion, chopped, 2 tablespoonfuls nut milk, 1 dessertspoonful gravy essence. Cook onion. Dissolve nut milk thoroughly in about 1/2 pint water. Boil onion, nut milk, and essence together 2 minutes, then mix all ingredients together, adding sufficient water to make into very soft batter. Bake 40 minutes. 28. Plain savory rice. 4 ounces unpolished rice, 1 pound tin tomatoes. Boil together until rice is cooked. If double boiler be used, no water need be added, and thus the rice will be dry and not pultaceous. 29. Potato balls. 4 medium-sized potatoes, 1 large onion, chopped, 1 dessertspoonful pure olive oil, breadcrumbs. Cook onion and potatoes, then mash. Mix ingredients using a few breadcrumbs and making it into a very soft paste. Roll into balls and fry in nutter or nut butter. 30. Bean balls. 4 ounces brown haricot flour, 1 onion, chopped, 1 dessertspoonful pure olive oil, 1 tablespoonful tomato purée, breadcrumbs. Cook onion. Mix flour into paste with purée and oil. Add onion and few breadcrumbs making into soft paste. Fry in nutter. Lentil and pea balls. These are made in the same way as recipe number 30, substituting lentil or pea flour for bean flour. 31. Lentil patties. 4 ounces lentils, 1 small onion, chopped, 1 ounce nutter or nut butter, 1 teaspoonful gravy essence, paste. See recipe number 59. Cook ingredients for filling all together until lentils are quite soft. Line patty pans with paste. Fill, cover with paste, and bake in sharp oven. Barley, bean, corn, rice, and wheat patties. These are prepared in the same way as in recipe number 31, substituting one of the above cereals or beans for lentils. 32. Lentil paste. 8 ounces red lentils, 1 onion chopped, 4 tablespoonfuls pure olive oil, breadcrumbs. Boil lentils and onions until quite soft. Add oil and sufficient breadcrumbs to make into paste. Place in jars. When cool, cover with melted nut butter. Serve when set. 33. Bean paste. 8 ounces small brown haricot, 2 tablespoonfuls tomato puree, 1 teaspoonful vegeton, 2 ounces Nutter or nut butter, 1 cup breadcrumbs. Soak beans overnight. Flake in Dana food flaker. Place back in fresh water and add other ingredients. Cook 1 hour. Add breadcrumbs, making into paste. Place in jars. When cool, cover with nut butter. Serve when set. 34. Spinach on toast. Cook 1 pound spinach in its own juice in double boiler. Toast and butter large round of bread. Spread spinach on toast and serve. Other vegetables may be served in the same manner. Gravies and sauces. 35. Clear gravy. 1 teaspoonful Marmite, Carnos, Vegeton, or Pitman's Vigor gravy essence, dissolved in 1/2 pint hot water. 36. Tomato gravy. 1 teaspoonful gravy essence, 1 small tablespoonful tomato puree, 1/2 pint water. Thicken with flour if desired. 37. Spinach gravy. 1 pound spinach, 1 dessertspoonful nut milk, 1/2 pint water. Boil spinach in its own juices in double boiler. Strain all liquid from spinach and add it to the nut milk, which has been dissolved in the water. 38. Parsley sauce. 1 ounce chopped parsley, 1 tablespoonful olive oil, a little flour to thicken, 1/2 pint water. 39. Pea, bean, and lentil sauces. 1 teaspoonful pea or bean or lentil flour, 1/2 teaspoonful gravy essence, 1/2 pint water. Mix flour into paste with water, dissolve essence, and bring to a boil. End of section 14.